The Eldoret National Polytechnic is known for its best performance in terms of academic and co-curricular activities. For example, Drama Club, they have gained a chance to compete nationally and come back with trophies. Recently shown at National Drama and Film Festival in Nakuru, they were able to come back with 6 trophies, including the best play with CBC message, best soloist, male and female. Their creative, cultural dance and spoken word performance earned them second place, while their live broadcast took the third place. Drama Club achievement are a testament to institution commitment to nurture talent and promote artistic excellence with full support of Chief Principal Dr. Charles Koech. Newly admitted students are showing their interest to join these clubs, especially for drama, with the aim of nurturing their talent and utilizing them. These activities help in fostering unity and peace among the communities in Temple. Reporting for Temple Radio, I'm Rachel Johnson.